YouTube? This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. So right now I'm in Dallas. As you guys can see, we are here in Dallas. My team is inside this coffee shop called Algo Coffee, doing a little bit of work. But I wanted to get on here and update you guys on where the portfolio is, where our investments are, and just show you guys as well. So right now, as you guys can see, we are in two active analysis. Okay, so two active analysis, multiple positions on each analysis, as you guys can see. We're down about 18%. However, this is the first month that it's been public to you guys, but my team and I have been using this algo for a while now. Okay, now a lot of people were kind of freaking out just a little bit about the 18% drawdown. It's not that bad, guys. It basically handled this drawdown 5 times over and still be okay. Okay, now those of you guys who do over leverage, okay, the thing about algos, you don't want to over leverage. The reason being is because those of you guys who do over leverage, your account will not be able to sustain itself long term. Okay, what you're looking for is something that can consistently provide you with 15 to 30% on a monthly basis. You're not looking for 100%. You're not looking for 80%. You're not looking for 50%. 15 to 30% compounded on a monthly basis will put you over 200% by the end of the year. Okay, you're just looking for the steady, consistent gains. And if you guys can, manage your accounts in that way, okay, the 18% is not going to be in anything. So as you guys can see, 18% right now. Now, when these positions close, this will give us at least 10 to 20%. Okay, so October is going to kind of start off with a bang. Today is the last day of September, and I don't believe these positions are going to close today. So more than likely, they're going to close in October. We'll start October off on a really, really good foot. So you guys will see an updated video whenever we do start that. Also, my skin is super dry. As you guys know, I've been living in Florida for the past few years. Now that I'm in Texas, the air is so dry here. Like, the heat is so dry. My skin is dry, my face is dry, my lips are dry, so don't mind the video if I look kind of crazy. But anyways, so this is where we are, okay? Also, I wanted to update you guys on the Discord community, right? We've been dropping the credit spread plays for you all. So yesterday, 16% return on investment, trading credit spreads on SPY, okay? So I will be dropping these credit spreads for you guys every single day within the Discord. Even if you have at least $200 in your Robinhood account, this is easy money for you. This is super easy money for you. And just like we have a certain strategy for CDFs, we have a certain strategy that we use for options, okay? I'm a very, very risk-adverse options investor. So for those of you guys who do want to invest in options, just take my positions. Join the Discord. It's $7 a month. Literally, the way it's 25 cents a day, something like that. And I just spent 4 times 7 that at a coffee shop. So feel free, join the Discord. It's $7 a month. Don't know how long we're gonna leave it at $7 a month. Really, I'm just trying to build a really big community. We have 5 mentors in that community, so you guys not only gain access to me, but you also gain access to, let's see who else. You gain access to Vez, you gain access to Day, you gain access to Vo, you gain access to Troy, York, Swavey. So feel free to join and let us know whatever questions you have. We'll answer them. So we had 100% return on the play, 15% return on the portfolio yesterday, trading SPY options. Not bad at all. As you guys know, I don't buy options at all. We consistently sell options because we are risk adverse, right? So I'm not one to gamble. I'm not one to, throw all my eggs in one basket. So we sell puts, we sell calls, we sell options on SPY, all right? I will drop a weekly option play. The market isn't really where I want it to be right now. So I might drop that either before market closes or tomorrow once market opens at 9:30. But yeah, we just need conditions to be ideal when we press that button. So we'll wait. but the position itself will close on Friday, and I'll keep you guys updated on the return on investment, how much we risk, things like that. But yesterday we made a cool little $168. Not bad, not bad. Now, if you could do that every single day, it's $168 a day. There's no need for a 9-to-5. There's no need for a job. There's no need for any of that. Just invest your money and have a return. By the way, guys, we do this every single day. By the way, you can take this play that I dropped yesterday. You could have taken this play with only $1,500 in your investment account, right? That's 16% return within a day of the market being open. That's crazy, absolutely crazy. So feel free to take advantage. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the YouTube comments down below, or you can just contact myself or my team within the Discord community. Currently, we have 126 people a part of the Discord, and I'm trying to grow it. So it's just $7. Just join for a month and see if your investment knowledge grows, see if your access to information grows. Just join, and we have so much for you to read through. So go read through everything, and literally, guys, the strategy that this algo uses in order to trade the CFDs market that you guys are looking at right now, we literally teach it within the Discord community. This just automates it, and it recovers a certain way when conditions are ideal. So as you guys know, even within accumulation, manipulation, distribution on a higher time frame, on a lower time frame, you still have the same thing: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So what this algo does is, let's say we're in a major manipulation leg on the higher time frame and price is moving to the upside. But based on being in the manipulation, you know that price is really going to move to the downside once the delta flips. Well, what the algo does is, as price is moving to the upside, so as you are in that manipulation drawdown, waiting for price to head in the other direction, what it does is it will consistently take positions when the algo sees that certain conditions are met for accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Now, right now we're down 18%, right? We just made 16% yesterday on a play. So this is basically free. But let's just say we're down 18%, right? What I want you guys to do is, the next YouTube video that I drop, these positions will be closed. Maybe some of them, maybe all of them. I'm thinking NZD CAD is going to be closed before AUD NZD, but we'll have to see what happens. But essentially, I want you guys to pay attention to the YouTube videos that drop. And once we drop the video, either the next video or the one after that, you guys are going to see a major difference. And then you guys are going to see this number here completely jump. But September wasn't bad. We ended the month on 15.71%. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. I'm very, very happy with the progress of the algo during the first month showing it publicly to you guys. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Most of our clients and most of our investors that are down 15% does not really freak them out all too much. If you had your money invested in the US dollar, and let's say you didn't have a hedge with cryptocurrency, or let's say you didn't have a hedge with gold, you're down 11 to 12% on the year. Okay, you're down 11 to 12%. Something like this can hedge you, right? I'm not saying just use an algo, because you can't just use an algo, right? You have to have an algo. You have to have your money in gold, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, just to name a few of the popular ones. But what you want to do is, you want to have your money diversified. And if you can have your money diversified, you won't notice the drawdowns of the US dollar or the drawdowns of cryptocurrency. Like right now, I know everyone's in major drawdown with cryptocurrency. You have to be in major drawdown with cryptocurrency. Most of you guys got in at 115, 116,000. We're under those numbers right now. But if you were rolling with me and my team, we got in before crypto hit 100K, and we took profits along the way, right? So it's not something where you're in under 100K and you're never going to have a buy position over 100K. No. And we're actually getting ready to buy more. Those of you guys within the Discord community, you guys have access to that information, and you guys will know exactly when we do what we do. Now, with that being said, I've been rambling way too much. I hope this video didn't fly over your heads. If you guys do have any questions, feel free, hit me up in the description, okay? Or contact my team, and we have you covered. Much love, guys. Peace.